8 grad square students, Javed, Tony, Andy, Dinesh, Chris, Root, Peter, and Matthew are sitting in a straight line, maintaining social distancing from each other, but not necessarily in the same order. Some of them are facing south, while some of them are facing north. So this is the question. We have few statements given after that. Let's read the statements. Javed faces north. Only two people sit to the right of Javed. Tony sits third to the left of Javed, and only one person sits between Tony and Root. Root sits to the immediate right of Chris, and only one person sits between Chris and Matthew. Both the immediate neighbors of Tony face the same direction, and Tony faces the opposite direction as Javed. Both Peter and Andy face the opposite direction of Matthew, and Andy sits third to the left of Root. Peter does not sit at any of the ends, while Dinesh faces the same direction as that of Chris. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make this arrangement, the right and the left. So for a person who's looking upward, right is on this side and left is on this side. Whereas if he's looking downward, then the right is this side and left is this side. The first thing that I'm going to mark here is Javed, because it says Javed faces north and only two people sit to the right of him. So if two people sit to the right of him, those two are 1 and 2. So we know this is Javed's right and Javed is sitting here. So that means he's going to look upward. Right? So Javed faces north. So north is upward is what we have taken. So let's mark that here too, so that there's no confusion. So north, south, although it's not required, but then still, okay. So Javed looks towards north, and this is his right, and there is two people sitting to the right of it. So that's the very first statement which we have looked at, this one. Tony sits third to the left of Javed, and only one person sits between Tony and Root. So let's do that now. So Tony sits third to the left of Javed. So 1, 2, Tony is here. And only one person sits between Tony and Root. So one person sits between Tony and Root. These are the two possibilities. Either Root is here or Root is here. No other possibility exists. So let's look at the next one. Root sits to the immediate right of Chris, and only one person sits between Chris and Matthew. So immediate right of Chris. So Root sits to the immediate right of Chris. Now see, the problem is people are facing either north or south. We don't know that. So right of Chris can be anywhere. So I can put Chris here also and look downward so that Root sits to the right of Chris. I can put Chris here and Chris may be looking upward and Root may sit to the right of Chris. So I can put anywhere. These are the possibilities now. Right? And it also says only one person sits between Chris and Matthew. So between Chris and Matthew, if there is only one person sitting, that means if Chris is here, then this is one person and then Matthew can be here. Or if Chris is here, then Matthew can be on this side. Correct? Because Matthew cannot be on this side because here already we have Javed sitting. So let's mark that now. So Root is here. Root is here. So in which case Chris or Matthew can be here, or Chris and Matthew can be here. Right? So we have got this much. Now it says both the immediate neighbors of Tony faces the same direction and Tony faces the opposite direction as Javed. Now Tony faces the opposite direction as Javed, so Tony is facing this. And when it says both the immediate neighbors of Tony face the same direction, that means both Chris and Matthew. So Chris and Matthew are facing same direction. Because Tony's immediate neighbors are going to be Chris and Matthew only. Okay. So I'm going to mark this now here so that it's very clear, right? So both the immediate neighbors of Tony face the same direction and Tony faces the opposite direction as Javed. Both Peter and Andy face the opposite direction of Matthew and Andy sits third to the left of Root. Now see, third to the left of root, if I'm going to take this case and assume that root is looking downward, third to the left will be 1, 2, and 3, and that will be the place where Matthew is sitting. So that is not possible, correct? If I'm taking root to be here, and we say Andy is sitting third to the left of root, this side it is not possible because we'll have 1, 2, 3 here. You'll again have Matthew sitting here, so that's not possible. So definitely Andy is going to sit on this side only, nowhere else. Correct? So we can mark Andy there. And it says both Peter and Andy face opposite direction of Matthew, and Andy sits third to the left of root. Now one thing is very clear. One thing that is very clear for us is root is now definitely sitting here, which means Chris is sitting here and Matthew is sitting here and root is not here. So we can straight away mark that. Also, one more thing that we can mark is the direction of root. Why? Because Andy sits third to the left of root, and we know Andy is sitting on this direction. So that means left is this for root. So that means root is looking downward. So let's mark all that now. So we have also got the directions of Chris and Matthew, because it says root sits to the immediate right of Chris. So root we know is now here, and right of Chris is going to be on this side. So that means Chris is looking upward, and we know Chris and Matthew, both of them are looking same direction only, right? So till here we have got this now. Peter does not sit at any of the ends. So definitely now Peter is going to be here. And we also know both Peter and Andy face opposite direction of Matthew. So Peter is going to look downward. Along with Andy. Peter does not sit at any of the ends, while Dinesh faces the same direction as that of Chris. So we know the last person on this side is Dinesh, and it says Dinesh faces the same direction as that of Chris. So Dinesh is going to look upward. This gives us the whole arrangement now. This is a pretty much simple question, but when you're starting to do this, you need to be very clear of whom you are going to place in the arrangement so that you can follow that person and then finish off the whole arrangement. So that's why we started with Javed, and the good thing is it starts question statements also start with Javed only. How many grad square students in the given state arrangement are facing north? So let's check that. So we have north on upward. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So it's Dinesh, Matthew, Chris, and Javed. So it's 4. 4 of the following 5 are alike in a certain way and so form a group. Which of the following does not belong to the groups? So you have Chris and Root, both opposite direction. Matthew and Peter, both opposite direction. Tony and Javed, opposite direction. Tony and Peter is same direction. Dinesh and Andy is opposite direction. So the answer is going to be Tony and Peter. Next one. What is the position of Root with respect to Matthew? So Matthew is sitting here and Root is sitting here. So what is the position of Root with respect to Matthew? So Root is here and Matthew is here, and we are going to find out with respect to Matthew. So Matthew is looking upward and Root is sitting to the right of him. So it's 1, 2, and 3, third to the right. Next, who among the following sits exactly between Matthew and Chris? So between Matthew and Chris, you have Tony. Who is sitting second to the right of Tony? So Tony is here looking downward. Second to the right is going to be Dinesh. So that solves all the question of the set. And I hope you understood how to do such a question.